Oh man, are we streaming?
Run the fucking program
Oh,
window,
it's
so I don't
on.
have all
Oh
goddamn fucking
crap.
day.
Someone copy the live stream link for me because I can't without showing the stream key.
Billy, what the fuck?
Wait, I might be able to. It might be hidden. Um. Okay,
Dang.
I've copied it. It's the same as
Where'd that
always.
YouTube video go? 'Cause I need to
Guys,
know
look,
what
I'm
we gotta do.
streaming. Oh yeah, I got a Twitter.
Wait. Oh.
Streaming. Oh god. What the? No, not a message, you effing. What are you doing? Make a tweet. Streaming backgrounds.
Switch to night mode in YouTube gaming.
Oh god, this is already off to a. Oh look, Christopher Tom's in the chat. I can't check the chat without actually showing it. Okay, we're doing all right. So let's.
Why does it have the stream key?
Does it?
Like the dashboard? That's garbage.
Because I can only capture Photoshop with a monitor capture.
Yeah, that's fine. But like, why is YouTube gaming fucking YouTube live stream have the fucking thing in the dashboard? That's garbage.
I don't know.
There should be something that's protected.
Oh no, it's hidden. I think. Yeah, it's hidden by default. So. Oh crap, Mr. Lofan's in the chat. Sup? Don't look at my stream key. So I ingested some alcohol, so this might be an interesting stream. I'm painting backgrounds though, so
It probably won't.
Oh, we should turn on. No, I probably shouldn't turn on some music because with Photoshop using up as much RAM as it is, and you know, streaming.
Billy, let me see that task manager. I need to see that RAM utilization.
Well, it's not using up as much as it was yesterday, so.
Because you're not watching as much 4K porn.
Yeah. Why is my.
So, are we allowed to use any libraries we want?
What type of libraries do you have in mind?
I'm thinking of using IOStream.
Look
Yeah,
at my
no.
pretty tree.
Not allowed to use
It's a
that?
happy little tree, you know?
I mean, using C++ is, I guess, okay, but that is way too advanced.
Crap, forgot to do the
Man,
wood
Man, that's
texture.
like the basics.
Oh no, I'm painting on the wrong layer. No.
Alright.
Alex, I don't even know what the difference between C and C++ is. I know what C++ does in...
Guys, I was painting on the
an
wrong
argument.
layer.
That just means your C
Oh, I
variable
messed it up.
plussing by
Already
1.
making mistakes.
You use it for count, right?
Well, that's what I know, so here we go. I'm relearning a language real quick.
What the F is
Mostly
this?
just copying your code and then reapplying what I
Tablet
think I
pressure
know,
control
that'll work.
size. Yeah. Of course I want that.
Alex, teach me how to see.
Okay. This kind of sucks without music, so I don't know what to do.
We're gonna make our own music.
I mean, I guess I could just play something.
User joined your channel.
Who the
Is
F?
string really not a part of the standard library?
String is part of the
Don't look at
standard
my
library.
history, okay, guys? There might be
Here,
some
here,
porn
here's
there.
What the
Don't look.
libraries you have to put in, Alex.
How many frames do you usually make per second?
Sync.h? what you're referring to?
Well, I animate at 24 frames per second, and I'm
Yeah.
animating mostly on
I'm
2,
just trying
so
to make a string.
you know, between 12 and
That's-
24 frames per second.
That you put in everything.
So whether or not you could actually hear me over everyone.
What is the syntax to define a string?
Define a string. Let me get to that.
Okay, I am painting on the right layer this time, I think.
It's similar to like a regular variable. You just have those bracket things, and then you define how many of those variables you want. For instance, you'd want to put in 1,000 for the number that we have. But let me get you that PowerPoint of that, or I can get you the actual thing. God damn it, where's the PowerPoints? Fucking garbage.
Yeah.
Holy shit! It's actually called car. The character array.
Yeah, character array.
Oh, okay. C++ just has string. I mean, it's not on library, but strings are nice.
You guys are really entertaining, huh?
Oh yeah.
Billy,
you wanna
watch
go to-
my stream. And then
No.
Wear that
Cannot
over your
watch-
stream. That way there's
no.
double the entertainment.
No.
Yes.
No. We don't need to hear me twice. Like everyone else is fine, but we don't need to hear
No,
me
it's
twice.
just a visual shit. Don't do it because fuck that shit.
Sam, what are you doing here sitting like a lazy lump of turnips?
Oh, Sam's here?
Damn.
Yeah, he unawayed,
Interesting.
which is why
He
he's sitting
just
there.
joined.
Look,
Got
he's a
someone
lazy
joined.
fucking lump of turnips.
Okay, Alex, this is what an array looks like.
I'm about to
Sure.
install Ubuntu on a virtual box.
Oh man.
Ew, Ubuntu. Ew, not Mint. Ew, not.
Yeah,
not
I'm just a little
Arch
weirded out
links.
by.
Here.
Oh,
This is an example,
did I
Alex.
Ubuntu without a GUI.
I got it.
Looks something like that. And where that bracket is the inside, that's the number of those variables that you want. For instance, int, grades, it could be C, it could be X, whatever.
Okay, so in this instance, we need to be able to take in 1001 characters, right? Because there's the /0 at the end.
Oh, you don't have to include the 0, but it's fine if you do. Either one would work.
Okay, Alright, what's the method for taking input?
Taking input,
Yes.
and F maybe, whatever the array version of that is. You want the PowerPoint for this?
I apologize for this amazing conversation that's going on.
This is important since printf can't be used without this
I mean,
line.
it might be interesting. I don't know.
Copy link. There you go, Alex.
I'm just being quiet because I don't have a lot to say.
Ah, the scanf. Does that sound familiar?
Scanf, yes, that's for taking input.
Okay. What I need.
I don't know if that'll work. Okay, no, you need to use get s. I believe that's for. Scanf
Yes,
can input
no.
strings, but it isn't very good.
Okay, now
New
Photoshop
function,
is using
get
up
S.
a gig of RAM. That's fine.
Looks like this. Okay, so there you go. We could
need
use
to get
scanf,
a-
but it's usually supposed to be for single variables. They try to make one of
good?
these arrays,
Can't
but they've
tell.
never made one. Oh, you tell it char.
It'd be a little too dark.
Okay.
Yeah, because
That
I'm
makes
sitting there
sense.
trying to make a string.
That should make sense. You call it char. I don't know, fucking string maybe.
I need to get a laptop.
Lap?
What
Don't you
makes
already
sound-
have a fucking
lap?
laptop?
No,
I thought you said you had a laptop.
I
The Dell thing.
Dell laptop. What the fuck? That's not mine.
Motherfucker, you were flexing on Eddie saying you have a laptop.
Yeah, that's Eddie.
Please tell me you can do this.
Alright, now we just gotta do the leap. That's not the
No
leaves.
exceptions, no exceptions, no
There we
exceptions,
go.
no exceptions. Come on. No errors, no errors, no errors, no errors. La, 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 la. Cool.
Wait.
Does that work? Does that work? Come on, baby.
I'm really good at painting backgrounds, as you can see. Wait, so when you animate, do you draw the scene in Photoshop and draw the rest in Flash? No, just sometimes
more,
what? Drink? There's no more, I can't.
Are you serious? You drank all of it?
There was only like an eighth of a bottle left. I don't know, something like that.
Billy, it's time
Peter,
to
that's
get
all
out
that
the
was
codeine.
left. Anyways, nah, like usually I do everything in Flash, but you know, sometimes when I have a bit of extra time, I'll draw backgrounds in
Billy, you fucking
Photoshop.
asshole.
How can I share? You're like 3 hours away.
Drive your ass down here.
Oh, because I have a car. Alex, you're encouraging me to drunk drive without a license.
Yes.
That's a double felony.
Okay, yeah, I'll meet you there in a little bit. Except I don't have anything to share, so. I mean, I got something to share, but you won't want it if you catch my drift.
Test string. Now enter your name. Test string, size of, test string.
This is one of the hottest streams I've ever seen. Those backgrounds are hot, but still no animated header. Yes, nothing will ever be as legendary as the Mock Entertainment animated header. Chris knows where it's at.
Copy this source code. Alex, we get into real nigga shit right now. Having fun.
Shit. I'm having
Barely.
fun.
Just a little bit of fun.
I don't know this language, but I'm having fun.
You don't know C?
Not really. There's some weird things I have to change.
I know basic.
You a basic bitch.
Whoa.
Basic is
Commodore Basic is god tier, sir.
Basic is like the forerunners of fucking computer language.
I'm very good at painting leaves.
Okay, let's see how this thing works. Wait, no, there's two system pauses.
Whoops. Come on now.
So character set. Alex, if you get time,
Oh, that's too dark.
just comment out whatever you have right now and try this script. Damn it! Fuck you, TeamSpeak. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
TeamSpeak is a guard.
It's
Yeah.
not good for posting scripts.
TeamSpeak 3 sucks compared to
go to Pastebin.
TeamSpeak 4, am I right, guys?
Car test string 30 hello world equals hello world slash new line. Print sent s test string.
What was those smiley faces looking like?
So, the cartoon I'm working on right now is a Groundhog Day cartoon. Groundhog Day, already came and passed, but I'm still making it. Cause I suck. I think it's one of the funniest cartoons I've done in a while, though, so. I don't know.
What that script does, Alex, is it just shows you how a string works and how you can assign variables to that string. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rip off this script. Change that string to 1000.
So it's
I
you're
realize.
printing out a variable by using %s, a string variable nonetheless.
Yeah, that's if you're printing it. We don't really have to do that, but that's just showing you, like, all the
I don't think
size
this
of
is working.
What does the comma do?
comma.
Yeah, I
That's
see
when-
%s comma test string. Does it tell it to print out the test string?
Yes, the comma is there to say there is a variable. The variable's name is test string.
Okay. So let me double check. So what we need to do is take user input and then tell how many E's as a percentage of the sentence.
Yes.
That's it.
I can get you the,
I have the video. I'm just double checking to make sure I'm not missing anything. So, is it kosher to use the... What is the size of? Is that a function to get the size of a string?
I think that's to tell the computer that test string is a string. The size of tells the computer that that's a string, and that the variable test string is that array that you're trying to assign to. It says that however many variables there are in it, size of is like the 1000, I think. So when it says, when you're saying get input for 1000 variables, put that to test string.
Ugh. Well, if anything, at least this stream is educational, huh?
Barely.
Hey man, you guys are making it educational. I was just gonna paint backgrounds and make dick jokes, but you guys are talking about programming and stuff.
In no way, shape, and form is this good education, Billy.
That's better than whatever the stream would have been.
As fuck. You'd have to have a pre-existing knowledge of the shit before learning it.
Yep.
In no way would I be able to learn what I'm saying right now.
Totally fast.
Yeah, but they don't even fucking go over why or what you have to do to calculate the strings.
Calculate the length of the string?
Not the length, but like the probability, the percentage. They got strings.
That's simple.
How? Oh, it's the fucking. Okay, never mind. I fucking remember. But they still haven't. They don't have it in this fucking PowerPoint though. It's like. Would you do that?
Fuck your PowerPoint, nigga. I'm blazing my
Whoa.
own path. Blaze it every day.
Come on, guys, refrain from you know.
How do you
Write a string, user input, blah blah blah.
I mean, it was fine for that one stream, but let's refrain from the really triggering
Fuck.
words, eh?
If E is present,
Bitches.
count and number. Here's how you would do it. If E is present in a string, count a number. And then assign that number to a variable that's going to keep track of the number. And whatever that number is, you divide that by 1000 or by however long the string is. Probably how long the string is. Then whatever you get, you times that by 100.
Damn it, user input.
Let me see what we have to do now.
Now we have to count the instances of E. Bug crawling on me. Now he's dead.
Alex, how do you just, if you want to have a string, but it wants to be empty, you just want to state that you have a string, do you just do...
You want to make an empty car array?
Yeah.
This is a good stream,
Car, space, whatever the fucking array is going to be named.
And then you do the number of variables there are. Does it equal just nothing?
No, I just end it with a semicolon.
Okay.
You don't have to... That's, I don't have the specific terms for it, but basically you're setting the default value for it if you do it that way.
Okay.
But this way, the way you just have it right now, gives you an array of characters that's 1000
Yes.
long.
Yes.
There is nothing in it.
Oh, but we want to have 1,000 characters, right?
Yes. Your guy was talking about something about like a /0 at the end, so I made mine 1001. Actually, no, 1000 perfect because I've.
I think like the /0 just means you ended the array.
But it's still a character within the array.
Yeah.
Arrays start at
Print.
1001 elements.
We want to
Okay,
tell
yeah.
it. Print. Enter a. Characters.
These leaves look really good. Yeah. Not at all like garbage.
Got the string length of it. Now we gotta do a nice little loop and count that shit.
I fear the alcohol isn't gonna actually hit me. Which, that'd be a shame. So all this was for nothing. People want to see me being drunk and
Are you
painting these
not
garbage
drunk?
leaves.
Got drunk off like a beer one time.
Hey man, it was 2, okay.
That's still less than like a shot of tequila.
I know.
Error 404. This bead caught on fire.
What?
So, type of loops do we have?
What was I doing?
Of course.
Oh crap, I forgot about the, what is it? You know, you can tell what it is. Look, it's not painted. I messed it up. I forgot I, didn't finish that last night. Alright, so let's just paint the metal bits.
What type of argument would you put for the while?
I use the for loop. For mine, I did for I. I is less than the string length, I++. And I think that'll iterate through the whole entire string. It might give me a little bit of an issue because it's gonna either throw I hasn't been defined yet, which I can take care of that real quick, or it's not gonna iterate through the whole entire array because the string length is not the total amount of elements in the array. But we'll find out.
That done.
Okay, that didn't work at all.
You need you did 4, right?
Yeah.
You need to do 4 integer value semicolon and then where you want it to stop. For instance, let's say I could equal when I equals 1000, that's when you want it to stop.
Wait a second. Whoops. I found out why my for loop didn't work. Never mind.
Because you got paid.
Did the wrong operand. Oh, nope. Totally ignored it again.
Plus.
Greater than.
What do we want to run while this is doing this? I don't know.
Oh.
Alright, with my for loop.
Print.
Check the space there.
Percentage D. Do that shit. That's garbage. It didn't fucking work. Legal escape.
I'm sure the shading isn't correct.
Here's
Do I
some
really have
character.
to define I? Expect a semicolon. Why?
Syntax missing end parentheses. Where? Where, bitch? Identifier N. No fucking N, bitch.
Why can't I just do what? Expected a semicolon. Why are you expecting semicolons?
You have to put
Oh,
semicolons.
It's separated by semicolons. That's another thing that's different.
Yeah, you put the arguments, the
Separated by
entire argument
semicolons.
into there.
I'm used to using commas.
Yeah, 4 is a little bit different. It's like it's multiple arguments in the same area.
Okay, there we go.
Angry about? What the fuck? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Missing and parentheses. Right slash. Work now.
Oops. Alright.
Oh, now it's happy. What the fuck?
This entire time, I have not been painting with opacity turned on. How did it work then? It looked like it was working. That's weird.
What is this garbage? It's not fucking printing.
Wait, what it is? Look at this. Look, the what the F? I turn opacity off. It
Different
what?
versions.
Photoshop is garbage. Look at this. The opacity is turned off, and it is. Oh. Oh man, stupid YouTube. Back to painting. I'm not at all feeling the effects of alcohol. This is a shame. Let's see why the stream went down. Probably no reason. Probably just YouTube being garbage. It's not even showing up in the video manager. That's great. Interesting. I'll respond to those when I'm not streaming. Probably shouldn't have even checked. Whoops. Is this good? I can't tell. Someone please tell me. It's probably not good. I don't know what I'm doing.
And I should have dropped this class.
Should have just dropped out like I did. Whoa.
Rip.
Except you would be dropping out of college and I dropped out of high school.
Not really, I'd just be dropping this class.
Shut up, Peter. Anyways. Who's still watching the stream? Probably
Or
no
I
one,
equal-
because no one's, everyone's, I suck. Yeah.
I devote. Oh, okay.
I'm really good at painting. Totally. Okay, now this background should be done. Highlights on that's kinda distracting. Oh, I just deleted everything.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, let's. I should probably
Need a
fix.
source code
is
to
it?
this, please.
Yeah, that's definitely noticeable. I'll fix it in a little bit. Let's fix this first. Is that fine? That's better. Alright, this background's finished. Which means
What
we
are you
can
doing?
save it. Save it as a PNG. Yeah. Oh man. It didn't save yet. Oh, yeah.
Equals 0.
Uh-oh. Something broke. Flash or Photoshop. Oh no.
1
Oh, God.
divided by 1 equals.
Okay, well, this is a good time for a bathroom break, so I'm gonna go do that.
Microphone muted.
Fuck factors. Which enter a number.
Print F, user input, print F.
Equals 0.
Microphone activated.
Uh-oh. I'm back. Oh, man. We've been streaming for 39 minutes, I think. That's what it says on YouTube. Of course, the, stream stopped, so...
I want to crash my computer with this fucking complex code.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez.
Cannot open blah 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 for writing. You're fucking kidding me. Fuck you, Visual Studio.
Alright, time for background number 2. Look at finished
my
background
debugger
1.
got
It's
caught
so
up and it
beautiful.
doesn't want to release your project so that I can rewrite it.
Look how far I can zoom in. Oh,
What? Just fucking game
wait a minute.
task manager kill program.
Whatever.
Open project. Project 1. Better open it right, you whore.
Okay, so... yeah.
There we go. I've been sitting here debugging the whole fucking time and just like, oh wait, it's fucking Visual Studio's fault.
Wow.
Write a string. Facts. That was,
Alex, do you know what modulus does?
yes, it gives you the remainder.
So it's not division.
No.
Okay.
Fuck! That makes
So
more
if I
sense.
did, for instance...
1 divided, or 1 modulus 1. Remainder is 0, right?
Yeah.
So it's x to x minus y,
Alright.
or fuck, damn it, that doesn't work.
No, it's like division. It's similar to division.
Oh,
It'll
yeah,
perform
crap.
a division operation, throw out the result, and then give you the remainder.
Photoshop, why are you still using up so much
Oh.
RAM?
So if I
Okay.
did, for instance, 15 modulus
Shouldn't be.
10, it would give me 1, throw that out, and then give me 5, because that's the remainder of the division.
Okay.
Let's just fix that.
That would have been wonderful to know like 3 weeks ago.
How's everyone doing tonight?
You asking me? Because I'm bored.
I'm asking everyone.
2 seconds away from blowing my brains out.
Nice.
Bro, could I stand right behind you and you blow my brains out too?
Yeah.
We got it too far in here.
I'll blow my load all over your corpses. That's the same
Alex,
thing,
this is
right?
fucking garbage.
Backslash N. Pause.
What am I trying to think about?
Okay, it now iterates through the array. Thank you.
Oh no, there's
fucking
only one
Lord,
person
baby
watching.
Jesus. Alright, so...
Fuck.
Come on.
Okay, what code do I
Photoshop, stop being
have?
garbage. Where's Jor? Jor's the life of the party.
Sure, do my homework.
Jor, entertain my decreasing audience.
If I type %s in a printf,
Come on,
I can
open
then pass that
Photoshop.
variable on to a character, right? With an array.
This is a great stream.
You're
10 out of
talking
10.
about assigning an input to 2 variables.
What are these percentages used in these print commands?
The
Like
percentages
Photoshop.
say that there's going to be a variable.
God.
The letter that's after it defines what that variable is. For instance, I is for, I'm assuming, an integer. S is for a string. D is for D's nuts. Or fucking...
Is S for a string or a character?
Good question. I don't fucking know.
I'm just gonna see if I can pass it. And we're gonna pass it user input.
You might be able to put a comma after the first variable, and then put another one, like you do the ampersand, and then another variable, but fuck if I know.
I don't know where the horizon is. Right here, something like that.
Let's see. On reference, the format %s requires an argument. Oh, well, we're gonna see if these errors run. Oh, here comes the exception. Break it, please. Do not continue to debug.
Weren't you guys trying to make like a D&D
Yeah.
software?
My tablet unplugged.
Yeah, there's a random number generator
Come on.
section in this.
Pseudo
Effing
random.
God.
That's not good enough.
Pseudo random. It's not pseudo random if you introduce time
Unplugging
as
it
a
didn't
factor.
work.
That's what I actually did, but then the problem with that was that, let's see, does this one take the seed?
What the F?
Yeah.
Commonly use your time as a seed. Well, I found a problem that it was pseudo-random is somewhat until you factored in if you figured out that if towards the end of the minute you rolled, you automatically got higher numbers.
Towards the end of the minute, you got higher rolls.
Yeah.
Can't you just like mix some equations in there?
That's
Okay,
what I ended
tablet
up
still
doing
works.
to create a very random number. I don't remember exactly what my algorithm was for it though. But yeah, it did use time as a factor.
That would like do evens, odds, and then like every other even or every other odd, and then just layers and layers of fucking randomization.
Let's see, printf percent C library function. Oh, there we go.
We don't need to learn about random numbers.
Printing numbers and escape sequences. D is an integer. %C is a character.
Whoa.
%C is a integer?
No, %C is a character.
Okay.
%D is an integer, which is the same as %I.
Oh.
Okay.
Magnifique!
Are you a millionaire?
I'm a fucking millionaire! And by that I mean my code works. I'm right on the tail of getting this busted wide open.
Bust it wide open. I told her to bust it wide open. She said okay.
Whoa. Is that some lyrics off your new mixtape?
It could be.
So instead of that, we're gonna do if
Girl.
This is a great stream. Yeah.
damn it.
The F are you doing? What? You F, it's Firefox, you garbage. This is how I paint grass. It's a very good method. You just make lines. It always works. Look, it's grass. It's effing grass. Look, it looks like it, doesn't it?
User disconnected from your channel.
Oh no.
Rip.
Well, this stream sucks. It's not very drunk and it's not very good. It's quite mediocre. Oops. Could not nudge selection because the selected area is empty. You're wrong, Photoshop.
Garbage.
It's not empty. F you. What is this? Hero theme loop. Yeah, okay. Sounds not copyrighted. I don't care. This is a bad stream. Of course, all of my streams are bad. Everything I make is bad. Alright, this should be enough. Maybe. Let's zoom in more. No. I can't. Okay.
Did they test you about testing characters?
Define what a testing character is.
Or testing characters as in
If they are present,
if characters are present or if one character is equal to another character.
no, but I would assume that it's similar to how an integer can equal a number. You would have like character equals e. If so, then run the code. I think it's double equal signs.
Sign. Yeah, I'm getting an error from that.
Ah, fuck.
Int differs in levels of indirection from character e. Will it throw that error if I do that? Yep, still throws that error.
Oh my god. How the fuck does he memorize all these commands?
I don't know.
They're not really fucking commands, they're like micro commands.
The alcohol hasn't made me drunk, but it has made me kind of sleepy. Which is weird because I woke up at 4 p.m. So this is how you paint grass, right? Oh, no. My tablet's just sliding all over the place. That's not working.
Very interesting. Section 2 to Section 3.
It's alright. It's good enough. Once again, this is oh crap. Brandomation's in the chat. You only do your backgrounds in Photoshop? Nah, most of the time they're done in Flash because I'm lazy, but whenever I want backgrounds to look nice, or, well, you know, whatever this quality is, I do them in Photoshop. Also, I'm not very drunk right now, so the stream name's kind of a lie. I did ingest quite a bit of alcohol, though, so maybe it'll hit me. Probably not. Crap, did he ask that question and then leave? Because there's only one person watching. Oh, I'm so unloved. Everyone hates me. Maybe Chris left. I don't know. Oh, I just made a guide. Whoops. No, don't do that. Come on. What? Whatever. That's good enough, right? Maybe clean up the edges a little. Oh, okay, Brandomation's still there. And it was Chris that left. That, traitor, I don't know.
You want me to wipe out Chris?
Jor, you're back. Thank God the stream might be a little bit more entertaining then. Okay, well, I finished this background, so that's good. I don't know
Looks
how many
nice.
more to do. Oh, Jor, did you see the finished first background?
I will zip through.
Alright, I'll leave it on screen for a bit.
Alright, yeah, just leave it on there for like a couple seconds.
Yeah. Alright. That should be enough time.
Nice. Yeah, you gave just about enough time.
Alright.
Me to truly appreciate
My happy little tree.
free
Oh,
gate barrier.
yeah, man.
Groundhog hole. I was gonna say badger hole.
No, it's definitely a groundhog hole. Well, third background. Oh yes, close up on the groundhog hole. Save as. PSD. Where is it? Oh, it's the very first. I'm stupid. Oh look, Photoshop's using up 2 gigs of RAM again. Let's close Photoshop and open it again. Well, the chat's actually been kind of active for once. That's good. I'm always glad when people show up. It makes it
Take a
worthwhile.
small break.
Oh, yeah.
Shit post. Just a very, very light shit post.
So I don't have to play 6 ads in a row to make anything from it, you know?
Oh, Pepe.
Oh,
Kermit the
Pepe.
Frog with
Where?
his shit
Whoa,
post
Peter,
break.
you posted in my chat.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some coffee.
Peter,
Yo,
give
Peter.
me the
Yeah.
cummies. Come on, man.
Oh wait, never
Post an
mind.
eggplant.
No, it's not doing everything it needs to yet. The hard part's over.
Billy, shut
You haven't heard me.
It's not fucking Black Twitter.
Alright, let's that's a good neutral tone from it, right?
Are you Black Twitter, Billy?
Yes, very much so. What the F? Oh, isn't that fantastic? Look at this. My my tablet, Photoshop's no longer recognizing it. That's great. Yeah, no, that's effing fine. That's just fine, Photoshop.
Bang up.
Okay, let's unplug my tablet, plug it back in. Alright. Go away, Bamboo Duck. It's not going away. F off, come on. God. Jesus. Okay, let's open it back up.
Where did that little rapscallion Christopher Tom go?
Let's see. He said
Post in the chat and
something.
then
Yeah,
eventually left.
it's weird. Oh, this isn't good. This is not good. Photoshop is not. Photoshop's being a butthole. I might have to end the stream because
No.
it's not recognizing my tablet. My tablet broke. Let's see if I can fix this.
Put the stream onto intermission mode.
Well, yeah, but to fix it, I'd have to restart my computer. It's literally just Photoshop. Let's see if it works in Flash. Because if it works in Flash, then it's just Photoshop, and I don't remember how to fix this. There's definitely no. Yeah, my tablet just effing broke for some reason. That's fine.
You unplug it and try plugging it back in.
Yeah, that doesn't work.
Wait like 5 minutes.
Like, it's working. Oh no. Okay. Like, it works. I'm using it right now, but, like, you know, pressure isn't. What? Okay, Bamboo Dock is broken. Oh my god, what the F?
Everything is dying on you.
Stop. Okay. What is okay? Yep. Sorry, folks. I gotta end the stream for a little bit because Photoshop's garbage.
I'm
BRB.
Hold on, play an ad first.
Yeah. Okay.